Hello children, you're here with us today with DP Kids YouTube channel. So not only origami, but we'll be making different creations. So if you haven't subscribed to us yet, I suggest you do so quickly so that you will know whenever we make a new creation, you can follow us and do it with us. So we are getting ready for the Christmas season. So shall we look at what we are going to make today? Santa Claus, the Christmas tree, decorations for the Christmas tree. And don't forget the star on top of the Christmas tree. There are lots of ways you can make a star. But today, let's look at how to make a star that you can keep on your Christmas tree. Okay. Now, for today's creation, we need 5 pieces of paper, but the folding method is easy, so you don't have to be worried. It should be a bit thick so that your star will not get crumpled or torn, right? So we have to make sure that it won't get crumpled. So we have to find a thick piece of paper. Take this square piece of paper like this, fold it in half so that a triangle is made like this. Open it up. This edge has to come and meet the middle line. Press it down. Press down the edge, and then let's do the same thing on the other side. Press it down again. Okay, now this little piece, we have to fold it again. Press it down hard. Do the same thing on the other side. See, I'm pressing along the edges. That's all the folding that we are supposed to do. Isn't it quite easy? We need 5 pieces of paper like this. So I'm going to make another piece of paper. I'm going to look at this. Look at how I'm doing it. There are 3 triangles. Then the edge comes and meets the middle line. Same thing on the other side. See, I'm quickly showing you if you were unable to follow earlier. Press it hard on the edges, along the edges. Turn it around. Fold the edges so that they meet the middle line again. That's the first and easiest way to make it. And now turn it around and fold it into half. Can you see? Turn it around, fold it again like this so that you get a triangular shape. Now, my children, why don't you pause this video, go and make another 3 of these because we need 5 altogether. So can you see, I have 5 already. Now let's see how to put them together. Take one of these pieces of paper. See, the inner side has no folding lines. So this outer side, you will see that there are 2 small triangles, flaps that open up without an issue. And this is what we are going to stick to the others. See, it has to align with each other. So we'll paste all 5 together like this. So sometimes a thick piece of paper might be difficult to stick together. So you can use a stapler in that case because glue might not work, like I said. See, we have to get all these pieces of papers together. Make sure the side that you use is the right side. The opening folds should be the ones pasted to each other or stapled to each other. See, you can almost see the star forming. Take the next one, paste or staple like this. Make sure the stapler goes to the very bottom. Otherwise, the shape and the beauty of the star will be affected. Go to the very edge, go to the very bottom. We just need one more. Now, can you see? We just have to bring these last two flaps together. Stapler those two flaps together. And here's our star. Isn't it pretty? Now this star that we made, we can attach it on top of our Christmas tree like this. Now see, our tree is very small and the star is too big for it. So look at the Christmas tree you have at home and think about how the star should be sized and make the star. So this is another star that we have made like this. The only difference is we need two stars like this. So you can see that these little points of the star. So to make this orange colored star, we need two of those. So paste them on to each other so that it looks as if it's twinkling, right? On either side, if you turn, you can hang it if you want somewhere by putting a thread in at the top. And you can even paste little silver pieces like this so that it looks even nicer. Even a pattern would do. And if you make a lot of stars like these small ones, you can even hang them on your Christmas tree to decorate it. So remember, during this Christmas period, get your parents to join, get everyone to join in decorating the house, your Christmas tree. So if you do that, your Christmas will be even nicer than your other years. Okay, so subscribe, don't forget, so that you can see all these new creations. And also, please comment saying what you think about what you made, what you would like us to make, what your parents think, so that your comments will help us make wonderful programs like this. I'll be bringing more creations like this. See you soon.